Happy Flex Friday, everybody. It's Coach Francis with Elevate Sports Performance and Healthcare. I also need to wish a very happy birthday to my daughter Ella, who turned 6 today. Now, for today's Flex Friday, the number one movement for getting a juicy pump and opening up your body's mobility. That is the ramp squat. We're going to go over a few different implements and progressions with this today. We're going to start with a sandbag. It's my favorite because it helps open up the upper back. The squat itself does a lot of good for opening up your lower body as well as some for your upper body. The sandbag will help increase the amount of expansion you get in your upper body. So we're going to start with that. If you do have a sandbag, go ahead, put it in your elbows, hold it out in front. You're standing on the ramp. If you don't have a ramp available, you can use a thick book. You can make one using some blocks of wood or even some folded up cardboard. Your heels need to be higher than your toes. You're going to stand on that ramp. You're going to tuck waistband to belly button. While you exhale, use those glutes, not your abs. You'll know you're using your abs if your torso comes forward. From here, big inhale as you squat down, big exhale as you come up. Now, some mechanics of this squat. Feet need to be underneath your hips, not wide. Toes need to be forward, not rotated outward or inward. Your knees need to drive forward. You will have a little shift in the hips. You're going to see that later in this video, but it's going to be primarily those knees shifting forward. If you don't have a sandbag available, a kettlebell or a dumbbell goblet hold works wonders as well. No issues with that at all. Once you've maxed out your available sandbags, kettlebells, dumbbells, then we can progress to the bar. And with the bar, we're going to do a zurcher squat. So make sure you have a pad or you wrap a towel around that bar because it's going to sit in the crux of your elbows. And you don't need to crush your elbows. You're already going to crush your quads. Now with the bar zurcher squat, the mechanics stay the same. Get under that bar, get tucked, get on that ramp, double check your tuck. Big inhale as you go down, driving those knees forward. Big exhale as you come up. Go get some and have an excellent Flex Friday!